Today class in marketing we are discussing about the pricing strategies at the time of adopting prices. Okay, especially the so different firms generally prefer to prepare a specific pricing structure indicating the various variables over a single price. Therefore, after the deciding of this method of pricing to requisite the price of the specific goods and or services to finalize with the help of various pricing policies or customized pricing approaches. These included the differential pricing, geographical pricing, promotional pricing, and the product mix and psychological pricing, new product pricing, and price allowances and discounts. These are all the so different prices that takes a place. It will be finalized for the it is a types of strategies also. Okay, this explanation about these things, especially what are the different types of strategies at the time of adopting of the prices of the product. The first is that new product pricing. The new product pricing is a main importantly the basic challenging problem of the at the time of fixed a new product pricing, because when the organizations or any of the firms are to introduce a new product into the market, before the market the firm will be finalized and it will be takes a decision on that new product pricing. Especially this concept of the product is a more difficult of the pricing decision. Is a pricing is a new product is a harder than the pricing mature product, because of the magnitude and uncertainties involved. New product entail many uncertainties. Pricing a new products is an extremely difficult process unless a substantial marketing research using surveys and or the test market data and help identify the consumer expectations that prices. This is the one of the test markets are to be used and market data and the quantities of the demand of various prices, and finally it will be can generated by the firms. This method is a provides of initial estimate. This method is provides the initial estimate of the demand curve that can be used to equate marginal cost and marginal revenue. It based upon these important formula the finalized the new product of a new product of the price. This is the first point. The second point is that product mix and pricing strategies. The product mix and pricing strategies. The product mix is one of the so different concepts are there. The so different concept product mix strategies are there. The new product promotional pricing and geographical and product price and product discount, like that, these are all will be concluded into the product mixing. In the price setting logic must be modified the product of the product mix part of the product. In case the firm searches for a set of prices that maximize the profits and also on the total mix. The pricing difficult because the various products have a demand and cost interrelationship and are subject of different degrees of competition. This is the product pricing strategy. The third one, the price discounts and rebates. The price discounts and rebates. In this contest, the price discounts at the time of any of the products are to be taking over that. It's a price discounts or incentives offered to customers. Incentives offered to customers usually as a means of attracting a repeat the business for those customers. While the implementation of the some type of discount on price will vary from one the situation to another. The basic idea of the provide customers with sense of receiving some type of additional value by not having to pay the standard and published price for the goods and services. One of the more common example of this strategy or price discount, a business or any other type of organizations is known as volume price discount. This is another time. Then psychological pricing. The psychological pricing, it is a one type of pricing strategy which depends upon and which concentration of the consumer psychology. When the special appeal to the consumers or prices intended to have a special appeal to the customers, that time it will be decided for the psychological pricing. Consumers can judge the quality of the product, examine the calling of the past experience and the quantity of the product, like that these are all will be judged by the one people or one person. It will be go for to finalize the product pricing. That is a psychological pricing. The psychological pricing, it will be judged by only the who's the person, that means consumer only. The next is the promotional pricing. The promotional pricing is a more takes several forms. The supermarkets and department stores will price our new products. The loss of leaders to attract the customers to store into them, hope of they will buy the other items, and normal markups. These the companies can be use of several pricing techniques to stimulate early purchases by in the promotional pricing. That is a promotional pricing. The next is that geographical pricing strategies. The geographical pricing strategies, especially this strategy seeks to explore the economies and the scale of pricing of the product below the competitors is one market and adopting the penetration strategy in other. The former, the term is second market discounting. Discounting. The second market discounting is a part of the differential pricing, where the firm either dumps or the sells below the cost of the market and the cost of the market to utilize the existing surpluses capacity. So the geographic pricing strategy, a firm may change a premium in one market and the penetration price is another market and discounted price in the third market. That is a geographical pricing strategy. The next is that a discriminatory pricing strategy. The discriminatory pricing strategy, the strategy which that takes a place, especially it involves in the discriminating price of across the different types of markets and the different types of segments. The assumption in this strategy is that difficult market segment do not communicate to have the different search of the cost and the volume perceptions of the product, and heterogeneity in the market motivates, and also the firm adopt this strategy. Companies often adjust their basic prices to accommodate difference in customers, product locations, and so on. This is a discriminatory prices. Especially the so different types of strategies and different policies are to be making at the time of adopting of the prices. It will be based and depends upon the structural values and the structural situations. The pricing decisions, especially at the time of pricing decisions, at the time of pricing policies, at the time of pricing strategies, at whatever it may be, the each every activity will be depends upon the pricing decision making process, or at the time of pricing decision making process they have to go for they follow the different types of strategies, and also the so different types of strategies. At that time they are going for the skimming policies, skimming policy, penetration policies, penetration pricing policies, and also the pricing of the new product policies, and also the geographical prices and the psychological prices, like that. These are all will be considered by the firm and finalize the price of the product. Especially in this context, the lot of firms, lot of organizations, the lot of experts, they think about the market price and the market strategies before entering into the market. This is one of the main important for the expert marketing people also. The firms, when the firms will be started a new production of the new product, automatically what are the cost of material cost and what is the variable cost and what is the marginal cost, like that. These are all will be costs considered, and the on the percentage of the profit, and finally decided the cost of the product. The cost of the product is a it will be analyzes depends upon the psychological of the consumers and the market situations and geographical situations, like this. These are all the situations are to be concentrated, and also the cost of the production cost of the product, and finally they have to go for to finalize the pricing decision process. It will be completed for entering into the new product into the market, because at the time of new product pricing, the experts must have the knowledge of the market, must have the knowledge of the material cost and the variable cost and another so cost also, because totally the finalized of these important concepts, and they have to go for to final the cost of the product. This is a topic of the product pricing, product pricing strategies at the time of adopting, adopting pricing things. This is the topic today. You must be go for to prepare the notes, and you have to submit the assignment for this topic. Okay, thank you.